2001 Hyundai Santa Fe, no start condition. Start by cranking it. Cranks, no start. Of course, I put the Maxi Sys on it, and I'm reading codes. Okay, mass airflow sensor, lean system on both banks, system voltage, fuel trim bank 1 and bank 2. This looks like a fuel issue, maybe a fuel pump, maybe some other problem. So let's investigate a little further. Let me look at the live data and see if we have a crank signal. This is a quick thing that you check when you have a crank no start condition. Cranking signal and engine speed, we need to see that. No crank signal. Okay. So let's see if we have a spark. I already loosened these up. Okay. Now let me get my trusty spark tester. Okay, this is the ground. I'm sure you've gotten dizzy by now. I'm not used to doing camera work, but okay. Now what we're gonna do, we're gonna take the spark plug. Of course, the spark plug grounded, and we're gonna take the starter. Starter relay, and we're going to crank the car. Okay. No crank. Now while we at it, let's check the start signal. There's no power. Now this is ECU. The ignition is on. This is also ECU, and we are not getting power. No power on the ECU fuses, and these ECU fuses get their power from the ECU relay, and this looks, I don't know if this is clear. I don't know what happened to my camera. So as you can see, that don't look good. So I brought another relay with the same setup. Lo and behold, we have power on the ECU. So let's see if that's gonna start the truck. Wow, simple as that. Like Eric would say, I'd rather be lucky than good. We got lucky on that. So this is a quick fix. Let's clear the code and see if it has another problem. Wow, I like that. Quick problem, quick solution. I apologize for the camera work. I'm gonna watch these videos, I'm gonna learn from it, and hopefully one day I will know how to operate the camera while working and thinking at the same time. Okay, no codes. We are good. We're gonna call this a fix. Thank you.